I'm Skylar. I'm an 8th grade dancer here at LaVilla School of the Arts. My classmates and I are here to help you learn the ballet combination that will be performing at the upcoming LaVilla Open Audition.
Hello, I'm Elijah. First, a few of us will show the entire combination at full tempo. Then, we'll break it down so you can get the details. Ready? Let's go, guys!
Okay, let's get started with the breakdown. Allie, Ella, and Liliana are going to help with that. Oh, and during the demonstration, Mackenzie and Audrey will be demonstrating the basic combination, while Clara and Emery will perform it with more advanced options.
Okay, we will begin with the preparation. 5, 6, open 7, plie, coupe 8. Balancez right, balancez left. Soutenu, bringing the arms to 5th. Plie, open. Tendu, plie 4th. Pirouette, land.
You start by shifting to your front foot, tendu back, and shift to your back foot, tendu front. You then prep for an inside turn and land in plie. Then you run around yourself.
Then you pique arabesque, plie, chassé, tourgette. Then tombe, pas de bourrée, glissade, saut de chat.
Okay, everyone come back in and we'll do it with the music.